This video is for problem number 6. We've got the insurance company with an $85,000 fire insurance policy. This is a really contrived problem because this isn't the way things work, but it works for our purposes. So we've got a total loss in a given year with a probability of 1/1000th and a 50% loss with a probability of 1/100th. And those are the only two options that can occur, right? Other than no loss at all, right? So we've got three possibilities: no loss, a 50% loss, or a total loss. Again, that's pretty contrived. So how much in this situation should the insurance company charge as a premium to customers so that the company breaks even? Also contrived because insurance companies like to make money. But we want to know, what should the insurance company charge everybody so that it is able to pay out the claims that are made in a given year, right? So our variable that we're talking about here is the amount of loss, basically, right? And we've got the probabilities given here, okay? So let's look at the solution. As we come over, right, my variable x is the amount of the loss, which can be nothing, right, if no fire happens. It can be a 50% loss, which is 42,500, or it can be a total loss, which is 85,000. The probability that each of those happens, right, 98.9% chance that there's no loss, a 1 out of 100 probability that there's a half loss, and a 1 out of 1,000 probability that there's a total loss. And then, of course, if we multiply those out, we get the values that you see there for an expected value of 510. Okay, now that expected value just means that over a very large number of trials, we would expect the average X, right, the average loss, to be $510 per person. Now, obviously, in this situation, we only had three possibilities for loss: 0, 42,500, and 85,000, none of which are 510. So we don't expect that anybody loses 510. But we expect the average loss over a lot of people to be $510. And so that's what the company should charge if they want to break even, because if you distribute that 510 loss over everybody, that'll give enough money for the half losses and full losses that are happening to only a very small number of people.